leads to such and such, leads to prison, leads to early death, leads to such and such a breakup in the family, or whatever it leads to. You know, he's saying that he would not do that because he's doing something negative, and I disagree with that. So if I'm doing negative things, and I see one of my young brothers doing something negative, I'm pulling him to the side and be like, yo, although I'm doing something negative, I'm still pulling him to the side and be like, yo, such and such, because I know where that leads to. And I don't want to see that happen. You know, see with this, I ignored these people's, I ignored their wisdom, I ignored their advice. Yo, I'm gonna hit my pops. See, when I was growing up, I had a lot of anger inside me. Not knowing your pops, anyone know their fathers here? You got your fathers around your lives. It's very important to have a relationship with your father. I'm looking at my father. Very important to have a relationship with your father in your life. Very important to have a father in your life, man. You know, because right now I'm dealing with a 20-year-old son, right? And I never seen my son come out the womb. I was incarcerated. Now I'm dealing with a 20-year-old son, 21 to be 21 this month, right? And right now he's suffering from schizophrenia.